Okay, so here's my review on Gator tire tables. Customer service is unbelievable. I thought they lost the package. I had called and they called me back in that same evening and explained to me what the problem was. A+ customer service. Tailgater tire tables. I got the covers, extra bolts, and we're gonna see what these look like. Kind of excited. I got one for the van and one for my travel trailer because I figured a lot easier than carrying a big old table. You can stick this on the tire, you're set. So it says open this end. Okay, let's see what we got here. Tire table from Tailgater. I'm kind of excited. Okay, I'm gonna put the phone down for 1 second. Okay, so here we go. They're a little pricey, but you get what you pay for. You know, if you customer service to me really is pretty dang important, and if they take the time to call me not once but twice to make sure I got my package and I'm happy, I'm gonna do it. So I'll pay a little bit more. I don't know about you, but Tailgater tire table. But yeah, so let's go try it on the van, see how it looks. Excuse the mess, you know how it is. Always got something going on. Okay, so we'll loosen the wing nuts here and we will see how this works here. Okay, that one's loosened, that slides out, and doing this one-handed for videoing. Let's see here. Very cool. Perfect. Threw it on the tire. Now let's see if we can get this to release. Looks like it's a button there. Adjustable. Love it. Very cool. Very cool. Put your wine glass, barbecue, a couple chairs. Don't have to haul a big old heavy sucker table. And it comes with a nice carrying case. Well, it doesn't come with it. You can buy it. Additional carrying case, which I suggest because you don't want that thing rattling around. But very cool. Tailgater tire table. Customer service cannot be beat. Unbelievable. So my recommendations is thumbs up. Leave a comment. And I'll let you know how they perform. But it looks like you got adjustable legs here too. So you got that is adjustable, legs are adjustable, make it level. Plenty of space. Put a barbecue. I wouldn't put it too close, but maybe your wine glasses. Sit down, two chairs, breakfast, lunch. Don't have to haul a bunch of junk to go camping and have fun. Okay. I'll check back with you.